made a quick debut when I dropped it off.
I did.
Yeah.
Hey, my guy, if there's anything I could ever do for you,
You're a hit, man. You're a hit. You're a YouTube sensation,
bro. Look, I'm into labor, and I'm into making money. If you can help me do that on the weekends, I love that. You ever have any work done? Mulching, hay, don't matter what it is.
right?
I'm on it.
I do it all.
You do it all.
Oh yeah.
Good shit. Good shit.
I'll take care of that. Don't worry.
You sure?
Yeah, I gotta leave it down just so I get my straps on.
Gotcha.
So
Gotcha.
I'm actually filming this real quick.
No problem.
Thanks, man.
Have a great week.
It's good seeing you. All right, folks.
You have a good one.
You too, brother. All right, so I just lifted this up. What I'm going to do is get all these hooked first. So for this one, I got to just jump up here. These things are beautiful. Look at how easy. Again, just lift up. Get this front one. Just lift this all the way up. Pull this right out. Hook it on. Now we're just gonna again, these don't have a big throw, but it works. Parking brake is on. Just click this down to here. Start cranking. We're gonna go back around and make sure they're all tight. This one gotta be turned over a little bit. I made them so I can adjust them. That's pretty tight. Nice wiggle. Really tight. Make sure that's down. Nice and tight. Check this last one. Nice and tight. One last shake. Really good. And that's it, folks. On our way out. made it. Actually, stayed nice and tight. Didn't move at all. That's free. See how easy? Look at that. Put that in the lock position. All right. Lift that all the way up to release. Look at that. Perfect. Drop that back down. All right, so I'm going to release these two. Drop the tailgate down. So I already have them released. So all we need to do is unhook them. That's it. We'll just put these in the lock position. Let's get this tractor off the trailer. That's a 250-pound tailgate. Lifted it with one hand. All these things we do is to make our life a little easier. that's one. Sometimes this one could be a pain too, but everything went right on today.